Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to give you a quick outline of what this video is about, just so you don't waste your time. But it is having these really irritating yellow lines just appearing everywhere and not knowing exactly why it's there. So I went and did some research on how to fix this and also to just explain what it is and what's going on. So yeah, it's been quite annoying just doing this manually, adding constant by constant, or if you go here to more options, saying ignore, prefer constant constructors. And I have no idea what that even means. Like, what is going on? Is this going to damage my code? Can I still use it? So if you skip later in the video, I will show you the quick solution to it. Otherwise, for now, I'm just going to explain what exactly is going on and if it is safe to ignore them. So if we go into the documentation of what exactly is going on, if constructor can be invoked as a constant to produce a whatever this word is, I'm like, what on earth does that mean? Instance, it's preferable to do so. So what does that mean? So I went and I looked it up, and I went and got a synonym because it still made absolutely no sense, but it's basically recognized. So if we change the sentencing, it's if a constructor can be invoked as a constant to produce a recognized instant, it's preferable to do so. So basically, I mean, that's just what a constant is. If you look through the code here, it's just saying this is good code because you have a constant of A. And then if you have bad code, you have a constant of A, but you don't invoke it as a constant. So it doesn't really know which A it's talking about. So that's pretty much how I understood it. So to fix this, you need to go into your analysis options YAML, which is located here, and you need to scroll down to rules, right? And you just need to paste this line of code, which I'll also leave in the description, but you paste that under rules. You can hit Alt reload or just Control or Command S to save. And if you go back, boom, look at that, all the yellow lines are removed, and happy days, happy days. But reading into this, if we look at what the lint rules applied, like what is a linter? What are these rules? Have I just destroyed my code? The answer is no, and I still haven't had any negative effects on my code since I've done this. Just to explain what lints are, linting is the process of checking the source code for programmatic as well as stylistic errors and unformatted code. So it's just a fancy, nicer way of writing code and recognizing exactly what type of constructor is being used and that it will always stay the same, right? However, you can remove these and it's not such a hectic problem because the constructor does just adapt to the certain screen size and its child widget. So I wouldn't worry about it. That is the solution, and I hope it helped. And yeah, I hope these annoying yellow lines disappear. Oh, and there is something here as well. If you if you do the same process, you can start figuring out why these yellow lines are appearing and going over to your analysis options YAML. I'll leave a few links down below on also the solutions from Stack Overflow and the descriptions and resources and information links down below. If you found the video helpful, you liked it, please hit a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of your day. Cheers.